Hello, my name is Rachel and I teach English here at Educo. Welcome to the Educo kitchen. Today we will cook. We will cook and learn English numbers and colours. Today we will make fruit salad. Are you ready? Let's go. You will need a cutting board, a bowl, a knife, ingredients: 1 cup of blue blueberries, 1 red berries, 2 green apples, 1 yellow banana, 1 some red strawberries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red strawberries. And orange juice. Wash your hands. Are you ready? Let's go. Chop the 10 red strawberries. Can you repeat? 10. Can you repeat strawberries? Can you repeat 10 red strawberries? Very good. Cut the 2 green apples. 1 apple, 2 apples. Can you repeat 2? Can you repeat green apples? 2 green apples. Well done. One yellow banana. Can you repeat 1? Can you repeat yellow banana? Well done. Cut the yellow banana. Very good. One bowl. 1 yellow banana in the bowl. 2 green apples in the bowl. 10 red strawberries in the bowl. 'Red berries in the bowl. 'Blue blueberries in the bowl. 'Pour orange juice in the bowl. 'Mix the fruit salad. Can you repeat? Fruit salad. Well done. Looks delicious. The fruit salad is finished. I am very hungry. Fruit salad is my favorite. Tastes delicious. Enjoy your fruit salad. Goodbye.